Okay friends, so let's talk about the installation of Android Studio 3.1, and I have listened that this is very incredible one. So this is my studio and I'm going to install the img file, and you can do the same with the Windows. You just need to download it. I will give you the link, and here you can see, let me try to install it. Here like this, and it will verify. Okay, so just what I need to do out here, I need to just drag and drop it to application. So here's like this. All right. So it is preparing to copy. It is something about 1.37 GB, and actually I'm facing some trouble with my old IDE, old studio, that is 3.0. So I decided to switch to the latest one, and let's see how it works, and let us talk about the features. It will take some time, and you can go through this their documentations like here. Okay, not this one. All right, now, so this is my studio, so let me click on it. Okay, so it is verifying studio. All right, so it is an application downloaded from the net. Are you sure you want to open it? Yes, please open it. Okay, so I have a previous version, so I need to import my setting from the previous version, and or you can see the previous versions library here somewhere. Or you can do one thing, you can have a custom location, a library preferences. Let me try do not import setting, okay, because I deleted each and everything, I think, before, if I remember. So let's do it. Do not import the settings, or you can import the setting. Okay, let's go with the do not import the setting, and this is the studio. Okay, so it is downloading the repositories and all images, whatever the SDK component required to create an application. Oh, that's great, my friend. So here you can see, welcome back. So this is welcome back. This setup wizard will validate your current Android SDK and development environment setup. Okay, just let's click on next, and I will go with the standard one. Okay, that looks so cool. So you can see out here, you can swings. It's like, that's great. Okay, see, they were asking for the default, okay, theme that you like. Okay, so I'm just switching to Dracula. I like Dracula. Okay, so here you can see this one, and all right, so here let me click on finish, and now here studio is going to download the SDK. So we need to wait for it. Okay, we need to wait for it. So here I will wait for some time, and I will be back here, okay, when this bar move to this to the end. Okay friends, so components are downloaded, and let me click on finish here like this. Oh, that's great. So now you can create a new Android project. So this is how you can install, and this is the 3.1.2, the latest version of Android Studio. So let me try to create a simple, let me show you means what are the means everybody know how to create an Android project, but let me walk you through. So same, it's here you can see the no difference. You can have an application name, you can give a company domain, you will have a project location. Okay, so you can also include the Kotlin support if you want, and let me click on next. And here you can see, okay, the minimum target version, wearable devices, and you can see the lot of target versions are available. And let me click on next here, and once again you need to select the activity that you want to create here. So let me click on next, and this is my main activity, this activity underscore main, and let me click on finish. So Gradle will create a project, and that's look so cool. All right, so this is our first application, and welcome to Android Studio 3.1. So let me close the tips, and it's nearly simple. Okay, you can see you have a project, Android project, files, problems, production. Some new things comes out here. You can see new options, project, files, problems. So here nothing to show, no problems, Android. All right, so without wasting any time, let me try to run this app. So we know it's so simple. And one thing that you can see out here, I selected Kotlin. Okay, so that's why here you can see this is how the Kotlin, you can write Kotlin class main and then colon app compat activity. This is how it look like, and this is .kt, that is a .kotlin. So here is Java. So this is my main activity, and here activity underscore main, that is an XML. Okay, so this is how an XML look like. It's great. That's great. So let me run this, and we know to run this app, my friend, we need to have an emulator. So let me see here. You can see we are having here an AVD manager like this. So we need to create a virtual device. So I will open it, and I will click on next. All right. Okay, so NuGet, we have by default NuGet. So let me select NuGet, and let me use everything as a default. Okay, and let me click a finish. So it will create an emulator, and then we are ready to run this app. Okay, so here is how it look like, and now let me run it. Okay, so initializing ADB. All right, that's cool. My disk is full, not an issue. I will press OK, and we'll wait for some time to have an output. So all right, friend, now we have an output that is a hello world. So this is how you can create. It's very easy, it's same. So you can create a hello world application in Android 3.1. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and it's very easy to create application in Android Studio. So go and download Android Studio, the latest version, and install it. And if you face any issues, you can comment me, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel. And if you want to join our courses, you can visit androidacademia.com. So bye bye, take care.